So I decided to make a vlog today. This mask is bigger than my face. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I could breathe. I decided to make a vlog today because I'm doing a lot today. So I might as well vlog about it. I just got back to my apartment. I went grocery shopping, and let me tell you, I hate when I go grocery shopping because I have to carry all this stuff up a flight of stairs and then come back downstairs and do it again. And come back downstairs and do it again. My back seat is full of groceries. And my trunk, because I have stuff in my trunk that I still haven't taken in my house from like past trips. So there's that. But yeah, normally Wednesdays are my pretty busiest days as far as like school goes, because you know school's canceled for the rest of the school year, so we work from home. When I tell you, I've never felt more balanced in my life from working at home. I am way more balanced and it feels great. Also, in a couple of weeks, I'm starting Invisalign. So I think I'm going to vlog my Invisalign journey so my teeth can look like celebrity teeth without having to, you know, buy celebrity teeth. Because my teeth are going to be perfect and natural. No shade to those who, like, get their teeth done, really. Because if I had the money, I would get my teeth done, too. But we're going to start with getting them fixed as best we can. So let's go ahead and put these groceries up. Okay, so I'm done. Not get copyrighted. I just cleaned. Well, I didn't even clean. I just put my groceries away. But honestly, I have some tidying up I'm gonna do because my living room looks cray-cray. There's some pots that I want to replant. I would show y'all the process of me like tidying up, but I don't want y'all to see my house yet, or not my house, my apartment. So when I go to repot my plants, then we'll go on the patio and do that. Cause yeah, I don't want y'all to see my apartment yet. I'm still debating if I'm even gonna do an apartment tour, but right now it's not in no place to be showing y'all. So also I am working from home. As you guys know, maybe you don't know, but I am a school teacher. So these kids are not in school. However, I still have to instruct them some kind of way. And of course, they don't really be doing the work, but whatever. We gonna try to get it done as best as we can. And also, I actually have another class that I have to do too for beginning teachers, and it is just crazy. Wow, I'm kind of upset right now because my call took way too long. Like, I'm about to do my homework out and they took so long. I'm trying to pop y'all up so y'all can watch me my pre-workout drink. I have been on my vlogs about this before, but I finally got it in powder form. And I promise you guys, this is the best pre-workout ever. Like, if you do pre-workout drinks, if you do pre-workout drinks, I definitely think like you should do that one. And I do a full scoop, but it's getting kind of low. And then I just put it all in here. Then I get some water. It says use cold water, so I definitely use cold water from my fridge. And then it says 10 ounces. So that's about 10 ounces. Yeah, so that's about 10 ounces right there. And I'm gonna shake it. Oh, it's in my titty more than anything. Then I'm gonna drink it. So within 30 minutes of this drink being made, I feel the effects of it and then I'm ready to work out within 30 minutes. And it tastes like sour gummies. Oh, it's just like a little bit refreshing. Okay, I don't even know like how I look right now on the camera, but I'm cooking a meal, so whenever my workout is completed, I'll have something to eat. So I'm just gonna make some turkey meatballs with spinach on the inside. I've made these before, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do them. And then I'm just gonna eat a salad with it. That's gonna be my post-workout meal. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I'm just gonna take a bowl, make sure this isn't hot. Take my turkey, drop that in a bowl. Drop some trash. On a good day, I would like cut up onions and peppers, but I'm being lazy right now. So I'm just gonna season it with some Cajun seasoning. And I season all my food like right on the top, because then of course I'm gonna use my hands to mix it up. Some garlic powder. Some complete sazon. This is like my best seasoning ever for meat. I love using this for meats. And then salt and pepper. Salt, pepper. And I'm feeling a little bit spicy, so I'm gonna add some hot sauce. Well, it's actually buffalo sauce, but I do have regular hot sauce, but I like the buffalo sauce. I think it's better for cooking. So I'm gonna let that sit for a second. And then I'm gonna take like a handful, I really don't need that much, a handful of spinach. I'm gonna break it up. Then I'm gonna rinse it. Okay, so I'm gonna dry this spinach off like that, so it's not so moist. Then I'm gonna put this in here too. Okay, then I'm gonna take my cookie sheet and just spread it. Slightly. And now all we do is mix. little bit moist, it's good because it'll help the turkey meat stick together. So now I'll just take the meatballs and put them on the sheet. Alright, so I'm gonna set my timer for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and I'm gonna do my workout while these are in the oven. And then when my workout is complete, I have food. I just walked to my mailbox, and I haven't checked my mail in a long time, but my school sent me this. Like, this is so cute. We have a personal distance learning record folder, because you know these kids, but it's so cute. It literally says like can't adult today, which is me every day of my life. Oh. I just finished my workout, and Jesus, I'm like tired. So now I'm going to eat because I'm starving. I can't believe it's already 4 o'clock. Like, this day flew, okay? But I'm just glad that I have some content for y'all. So I'm gonna eat my food, my salad, my meatballs, and I'm gonna repot these plants in honor of Earth Day. All right, so this is my food. I'm so excited to eat it because I am starved out. Like, working out literally takes all of your energy. And now I can eat. I'm going to repot my plant. I'm going to pot this root, and then I have a plant that I just bought today that I'm gonna pot in that pot right there. And then I have a plant outside that I'm gonna repot, but I'm gonna repot that one outside because it's big. So let's do this. Replanted her, and this one here, I kind of did it off center, but it's planted. And then I'm gonna take y'all outside really quick. And then this is the other one that I did. These are also my other plants. This one is growing, and once the soil dries, I'm gonna finish cleaning up out here because I don't want all this stuff outside. I'm I'm so terrible. I did not end yesterday's vlog, so I'm ending it now. I didn't really do too much. I cooked dinner. I made stuffed shells and asparagus. And then I got on the phone. So that's the end of yesterday. Today I just did my hair. Obviously, you can see. But I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Maybe I'll do another quarantine vlog when I actually like have a lot to do, because that was pretty eventful. See y'all.